Oh my goodness, you uploaded your video into YouTube but you've forgotten to blur something out. What can you do? Do you delete your old video and re-upload again? Or there's another way. And yes, there's another way. And it's called YouTube Video Editor. And this can be easily done in YouTube Studio itself once you uploaded it, so you don't have to delete and to put in a new video. So let me just show you how this can be done in my computer. Let's go.
So first of all, you go to YouTube, then you go to YouTube Studio. So just click top right, click on YouTube Studio, and then you go to your content. Let's just pick one content to try the blur effect. Alright, let's go to Facebook group guide. Click on edit. Then you see there's editor here. Click on the editor. So you can see that there's a few options you can do. Right, you can add sound, music. You can put in end screen, which I already put. So now what you want to do is you want to blur. Right, for example, you have some sensitive thing that you want to blur out. So this is what you can do. Right, there's two things you can blur here. Let me just show you both of them. You go to blur parts of your video. So this is the part where you can choose which one to blur. Right, so let's choose custom blur first. So you can see that there's a blurring thing here. Let me just put this cursor here a bit. Then you can see here there's blur. Right, so you can choose where to blur. You can choose it with oval, rectangle. You can choose the duration of the blur. Or you can choose whether track object. For example, if there's an object that you use that is keep moving, so you can track the object. So YouTube is pretty smart on that, right? Or you can just fix a blur position. So for now on, fix blur position. For example, I want to hide the books that I'm reading or the books that I have, right? You can even change the location. This is the time. You can adjust how long you want it to keep the blur on, right? So for now, where's the blur thing? The blur box. Click on the blur thing. Then I want to hide the book. Just put it here, adjust accordingly, and there, it's blurred, right? So when you play the video,
or your existing member. So this can be done by putting it into Facebook guides, Facebook group guides. So previously.
Alright, so another thing that you can blur is the face, right? So you, again, come to here, there's blur parts of your video, or there's a plus sign here, just click on it. You click on face blur, right? Then they will show all the faces that appear in your video. That is pretty cool, right? So you just have to click one. Now two, this is both my faces. Then you just click apply. Now just wait. Alright, now you can see that my face is blurred. Just play my video and have a look.
The training available.
I hope this is helpful. Thank you.
Yep, so that is how you can easily blur your face or certain object inside your video with this blur features inside of YouTube Video Editor. I hope this is useful for you. So if you know anyone that has this kind of problem, feel free to share this video to them so that they solve their problem. And if you like what I shared today, just give me a like or thumbs up into this video. Really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to my video, why not? This channel talks about digital marketing and entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in these kind of topics, do consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And with that, thank you so much for watching my video, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.